Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get these very neat, sleek, knotless braids. These are the medium-sized braids. Alright, so what I use in my hair are the Sheer Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie to moisturize my hair, and hair oil. I use the pre-stretched, this is the Ghana brand pre-stretched hair number 2, and this is a 50-inch hair. I like my hair really long. Alright, so to start off this look, I section my hair. I part my hair into the size as according to the size that I want the plaits to be or the braids to be, and I do shiny bumps as we call them in Jamaica. In other parts of the world you call them bantu knots. So I do that on the back part of my hair. Alright, so guys, to start off this style, I ensure that I'm doing this on freshly washed hair. So I ensure that my hair is clean and I allow it to air dry. So I don't use heat to dry my hair. Some persons, they prefer to blow dry their hair so that it could be a bit straightened. I prefer to just moisturize my hair, and that's the reason why I use the curl enhancing smoothie to moisturize the hair and to seal the ends in so I get a neater braid. Alright, so I moisturize my hair and I apply edge control to the roots of my hair to get it sleek. Alright, so I do that and then I go ahead and start the braiding process. No, it is called knotless braids because you don't have the knot at the roots. So you start off the braiding process just as how you do a regular plait, and then you add the hair, the braiding hair, after you've started the plait, as I'm doing here. Now I know back in the days we would usually like have the hair in our hand and then start the braiding from the very root. That would be the knotted braid. We don't do that anymore for these kind of styles. We start the braiding and then we add the hair as a sort of like a feeding then, and that's why it's really called feeding braids, because you start the plaiting, you start the braiding process, and then you add the hair as you go along. Alright, so guys, so I just repeat this process until I'm at the front of my hair. Alright, so now that I'm at the front section of my hair, I go ahead and I part it into 2 equal parts, and on each sides I put the hair into 4 equal parts. I don't go ahead and do the chiny bump slash bantu knots on this section because that would be taking just too much time, and the front section is much easier to handle. So I just go ahead, put it in 4 parts on each side, so that's 8 parts in all at the front, and I use elastic band to hold the hair in place, and then I start the braiding process again at the front. Alright, so guys, I'm almost at the end of the braiding process, and at this point I was just excited to almost be finished with the braiding. After braiding the hair, I am going to go ahead and use a pair of scissors to remove the flyaways. I'm going to remove the fuzzy hairs, that's the hairs that are sticking out, and then I use a razor to shave the ends of the braid, simply because they are on, or they'd be on, different lengths, and in order to get them neat and on the same length, I use a razor blade to even them up a bit. After doing that, I apply some hot water, or put them in the hot water to get them straightened, to get whatever hair that I wouldn't have gotten with the scissors off, to have those lined down. I go ahead also and apply some and add some mousse to the hair, as well as use my edge control to do my edges, and that would be the end of the style. Alright, so guys, what we need to bear in mind when doing the knotless braids in order to have them sleek and to have it neat is to ensure that your hair is moisturized, to ensure that you apply your edge control to the roots of the hair so as to get it sleek and neat. And that's about it. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. See you next time.